The Caseology Legion case for the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. Caseology Legion Galaxy Note 9, picture of the case right there. On the back of the packaging, ready for impact as always, and more information there. But let's just dive right in. And we do have some tape here. Oh, by the way, before I forget, floor meets your match. That's pretty nice. It's pretty cool. So take my blade and just make an incision. And let's see what we get inside. Throw that to the side. And this one is, what does this say? It's not easy being a bodyguard. Thank you for trusting us. Caseology, you're welcome. And logo right there on the back. And opening this up. Take a look at that if you want to. There we go. This is the case itself. Two-part case, hard shell back with a TPU inside. And on the inside of the case, you have this pattern here. And it says right here, Legion series for Samsung. And it says here, designed in California, made in South Korea. And their website, caseologycases.com. Very nice. Let's go ahead and put the Note 9 in this case, and let's check it out. Phone squeezes right in. Now I do have an Elixir screen protector on the phone, which goes all the way to the edge. And if you're wondering if it's compatible with this case, I'm looking at it right now and I'm not seeing any lifting of this screen protector. So if you're wondering if that combination works, I guess you can say yes to that question. You have your raise buttons here for your volume and Bixby. Raise button for the power, Caseology branding on that part of the case. Checking out the bottom, you have your cutouts on point, and I'm digging this cutout right here for the speaker and the S Pen. How that's cut out and just how that looks pretty nice. And access to the S Pen, pulling it out is not a problem. Put it back in. On top, you have your precise cutout for your microphone. You have your cutout for your dual camera setup and fingerprint scanner, which let's test right now. Works, not a problem. Do that again. Very nice. And little detail here. See how the fingerprint, the opening for the fingerprint scanner, it kind of bevels into the scanner. Nice level of detail there, making it easy to find and use the fingerprint scanner. Just like that. A little bit of Caseology branding down there. You do have a carbon fiber pattern here on top and bottom of the case. Power button. Nice and clicky. No issues. And the volume rocker. Nice and clicky as well. You can see the ringtone change. And Bixby. That works, but I don't use Bixby, so I'm going to close it. You do have a reasonable amount of front lip here. So you put this phone flat on the table, glass will not touch the surface. You have a tempered glass, even better. Let's check out the wireless charging. Should work. Lay the phone down on the pad and fast charging wirelessly. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the blue Note 9 in this case. And here's the case on the blue Note 9, which I gotta say, looks pretty good. Goes very well with the blue of the phone, this lighter blue color here. And I also believe Caseology has the same case in a darker blue, closer to the blue of the Note 9. So if you want a closer match, you can go with that. So if you're interested in this case, I'll go ahead and put a link in the description down below. Thanks for watching. Peace out.